hot. Sky Control checking in, and right now I got a 40-minute. She saw the footage on my phone. She loved it. We're going out. Let's make some memories. Yeah. So my clients hit the water. They're going out. I'm gonna let her warm up for about maybe one wave, and then I'm gonna go out there and make the memories. Normally I use a real professional camera, but the rule states that you always use your best camera, and this is lightweight and provides higher quality, so why not use your phone? Customer, also this is a vlog test for the microphone. It is very windy out and I want to see how good this mic is. Anyway, the customer, the customer was very, even though she only caught like a 0.5 of a wave, she lives here and she was very excited that she got to see herself surf so she could see what she was doing wrong. She immediately saw that she was too far back on the board. She immediately saw that she needs to paddle a little bit harder. So it turned out better than I thought. She was more happier than I was. So that's all that matters. Yay!